forget the good things, the things that bring us joy. And for me and my wife this year, we probably had one of the most wonderful things happen to us so far since we've been married for, well, it'll be 27 years this year. In that my daughter gave birth to our first grandson, and we were able to be in the hospital at 1 o'clock in the morning waiting for her to finish giving birth, and we held my little grandson Ben when he was just 20 minutes old or so, and the joy that's brought into our lives, to see this helpless little one, again, at the moment nothing to offer, but of such value and such preciousness. Yes, he's potential, but his worth isn't in what he's able to do or what he will be able to do. His worth is in that there's this. His worth really is in the fact of who he is, and you see, God gives us all a value. The Bible talks about us being made in His image, and I don't know exactly what that means, but I do know that it means this one thing, that He values us as human beings, and so. So what I'm trying to say really is that life is full of a mixture. It's both sorrow and joy, and I think that those of us who are suffering from these different health problems, while not wanting to downplay in any way the suffering that we go through, it's just sometimes to dwell on what others are going through, and also to dwell on the things that are good in our lives, and the things that have been good in our lives, the things that perhaps we were able to achieve when we were well, not to just be not to just sort of be sorry that those times are over, but to remember them with joy, and to celebrate them. I'm not sure how well this video has come over, and I'm not sure how well I've communicated what I'm trying to communicate. Hopefully that you'll be able to decipher it. We're going away for a couple of weeks to Wales. Me and my wife. My son has just passed his. He's just got his degree, and he's just got a first in history, and so we're off to his graduation, and then we're staying over in Wales for a couple of weeks to have a bit of a break. So I won't be making any videos for a while. So anyhow, this has been a bit of a different video. I hope that again it's been useful for some. All I would say is, look, just keep your eyes up and recognise that your worth is far more than what you can achieve, and that your worth lies in something far deeper than what you can produce. Our society doesn't see it. It sees only those who are fit and strong as being of value, but your value is far greater than what you can do, because in you, even though you might not know it, there is something that reveals something of God. You might not know Him yet. You might be living a life that He wouldn't find totally acceptable and attractive, but I want you to know that still that's where your value lies. So a bit preachy, but I hope that it is helpful to someone. Goodbye, and I'll speak again soon when I come back from holiday.